If you are looking for special deals in BGC like no down payment promo that offers 0% interest, well, this video is for you. Hi guys, this is Carlo Roque from Mega World Corporation, and right now we are here in our newly opened showroom in Uptown Bonifacio. So I am going to show you our newest residential project, which is the Uptown Modern. It's a 54-story building, 10 high-speed elevator, floor-to-ceiling full glass coverage, amenities on the 6th floor, and this is the only residential condo that offers e-vehicle parking and charging station. This is a pre-selling project that will be ready by June 2031. So, good thing on this one, we are still on introductory price. So, exact location along 9th Avenue, corner 40th Street. Very walking distance to Uptown Mall. So, of course, when we have mall, we have retail shops, restaurants, cinema house, and supermarket. We have international offices in the area as well. So we have captured market already if you want to rent out the property. So now let's proceed to our model units. First is our 40 square meter studio unit. So upon entering guys, we have here the washer and dryer, which is already included. For the toilet and bath, it's complete already with floor to ceiling ceramic tiles. For the kitchen, we have built-in microwave oven, range hood, induction cooktop, premium kitchen cabinets, granite countertop, and built-in refrigerator. You will also have your own split-type air conditioning unit. So on the living and dining area, it's very spacious. So on the sleeping area, you will also have your own modular closet. So for the price, this is a 40 square meter studio unit. It's around 16 million. And we have different layouts. So we have studio with balcony, which is a 45 square meter, and it will only cost us around 18 million. Next is I am going to show you the one bedroom 58.5 square meter unit. So it has the same deliverables, but the good thing on this one, it has its own maid's room with own toilet and bath. And the unique part for this one bedroom is it has bar type kitchen. Kitchen sink and countertop, premium kitchen cabinets, range hood, induction cooktop, and built-in microwave oven. Of course, we have built-in refrigerator as well. For the living and dining area, guys, you have an access to your own balcony. And it also comes with two split-type air conditioning unit. One on the living area, and the other one is on your bedroom area. So for the bedroom area, it's very spacious. Same modular closet, but check out this toilet and bath, guys. So it's complete as well, but you have an access from your bedroom area all the way to your living area. So how's the layout for this one bedroom 58.5 square meter for you guys? Just let me know on the comment. So for the price, this type of unit will only cost us around 23 million. And of course guys, since we are still on pre-selling stage and introductory price, we are still offering special no down payment promo during pre-selling. So if you want to know more about this project, I will leave my details up here. So you can contact me anytime you want and anywhere you are. So that's it guys. Bye!